Welcome to macsartplace. I'm Marlene Cosand. I have some leftover paint from the tiles that I did on my last video, so I'm going to use them again. See if I can get a little better result. I wasn't that happy with the last one. I have thinned the paints out, and I will let you know in the description what the colors are again. So here we are with my 4 6x6 tiles, and these are good for trivets to use to put hot pots on, and you can also use them for decoration if you want. And I've decided to try and work on them. First I'm going to pour this purple. You can see I've made it pretty thin. But I also put 3 drops of the linseed oil in. I think I'll do a little white first. And put it on top of the white. This is just semi-gloss house paint. I thinned it out with a little bit of water, 90% water, 10% floetrol. Hope everybody had a nice Thanksgiving. We went to a restaurant in town here that every year they give a free dinner to everybody that comes in. Boy, was it crowded. I was wondering how many dinners they give away. It was very interesting. And so, if you're sitting 2 at a table and you have 2 people come in, they'll sit them with you, and so you get to meet other people. It was really very nice. We got to talk to a gentleman and his young son he brought with him. And I said to the kid, "So you've never sat with 2 people you don't know?" And he got all embarrassed. But it really was nice. We'll see how these 3 drops go and the thinner paint. See, and I tried to level this out, and now this one is squeaking towards the back. So, I don't know why this is, but we'll squeak it down that way. And of course, I didn't put my gloves on. My leveling stick must have come out from under that side. I'm going to try and tilt these tiles to stretch out the paints. Should have put my gloves on. I think the paints are better being thinner. It doesn't seem like the linseed oil works too well on tiles, but it worked very well on the canvas. I see it. An air bubble there. And I got rid of that. I think I want to do some designs. like them. I don't have many cells, but they may pop up later. I like the white spot and this one. I can bring that up and show it to you. I like this color combination. And these dots that I poured here need to be incorporated somehow. That's a very interesting design. They all are. I enjoy doing tiles. When I do the epoxy, it'll be for my first experiment with that, so I'll see how that goes. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I hope you're having a great day. Please subscribe. Thank you very much. The description of the paints will be below in the description of the artwork. Thank you.